Who are we?
We are the people protecting the wildlife and the green spaces.
Of this bold and diverse region, united by ambition and determination.
In the face of a crisis, climate change is threatening the world that we love.
The Midlands is the heart of the fight.
Empowering staff and volunteers as they build trust.
Engaging the public, business and change makers to take action.
Inspiring young people to embrace the environment and to demand change.
Before it's too late, together we are champions for nature.
For my future.
For our future!
For nature's future.